Welcome back. Now, if you are logged into your Amazon account, what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom of your Amazon Books page, and you're going to see the last panel say Set up an Amazon giveaway. What you can do then is you can then click that button. You're then going to determine how many copies you're going to give away. So once you write this in, you will then get a cost associated with the actual price that it's going to cost you. You're going to write in a name, and then you're going to add in a customer image. Whether this is a JPEG, PNG, or GIF, you can add in either a personal or branded image. You can decide on the kind of giveaway. So for example, you can make this a first come, first served, or you can make this a sweepstakes or lucky number instant win. In order to get the giveaway, you can require the visitor to do something. You can have them follow you as an author on Amazon. You can have them watch a video short, or you can have them watch a YouTube video at your designation. Now, if you're an Amazon Pro seller, you can offer an additional discount for the individuals that don't win. And finally, you can choose to make the sale public or private. So for example, if you only want this giveaway to be discoverable for the people that already know about it, you can make it private. Or if you want it to be discoverable for the general public, you can make it public. Now this then assumes that you have some kind of database or email marketing list. So once you've considered all of the variables that you want to have in your giveaway, you can then click Next. Kindle will then show you what your giveaway is going to look like. Once you approve, you can then click Proceed to checkout. And that will set your giveaway in motion. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.